Welcome! In front of me I have Hammer Watch Plus and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And once you open the watch face menu, you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Find the watch face you would like to use, tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also change the watch face through the settings, so you can press the side button to open the menu, then scroll down, find the settings icon, tap on it, and then tap on watch faces. And here you can scroll through the list, find the watch face you like and tap on it to select it. Another way to change the watch face is to do it through the phone application. So if your watch is paired with a phone, you can basically open the app on your phone and change the watch face through the app. So let's wake up the screen on our phone. Launch the app Hammer W Watch, or rather Hammer W Plus app on the phone that is paired with our watch. And in this app, tap on device, select your HW Plus watch from the device list, and here, no, my bad, go back. You should see dial center right here on the device page. You can tap on it and it will open the list of watch faces. You can tap on one and then tap on set as current, and if you wake up the screen you will see that the watch face changed. Okay, and that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.